Welcome to another Nick Says Go video. I got a fun one for y'all today, man. I got a fun one today. If y'all saw my last video, I did my little spin on the GQ 10 essentials. And there's one essential I left off the list, and for me, that's Air Force Ones, man. Air Force Ones are timeless, they're eternal, they're essential to my wardrobe, and I got a new pair in the mail yesterday. So in about a second, we're going to unbox them. I'm gonna give you the view, give you the details, break them down a little bit, and then we'll take them on a little walk test, a little road test, see how they feel, see how they look on the feet, and maybe you might cop. So stay tuned, let's get right into it. Beautiful, beautiful pair of Air Force Ones I have here for y'all today. We are talking about, boom, Rucker Parks, man. You know what time it is. I got a funny story about these sneakers, man, as we get into it. So I've been trying to buy these shoes since they came out. Like Nike, Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, whatever. I try all the time. Every time I try to cop, they either sell out right before I get them. I used to order them. Nike would cancel my order like a week later. So I just gave up because I wasn't trying to pay resale on them. I was like, man, I'm never gonna have these kicks, man. Like, fuck it, right? And then my homegirl texted me the other day. He was like, yo, I just got this ad on Instagram. Ain't these the shoes you've been trying to cop? I think Champs got them. I went in, copped, got them from Champs. Fast forward to yesterday. I checked my email. I tracked the order. They said they delivered it to my address. I opened the door. The sneakers are not at my door. So I'm like, fuck. I go to the post office. They're not there. Go back home, they're not there. Go to my leasing office, they're not there. Shoes are gone. Magically, they show up at my door like 2 hours later. And I say all that to say this, I finally got the shoes. Finally got them. After months of nonsense and bullshit, I got the shoes. Let's get into it. So, starting off right here, I love when all sneakers used to come with cards. Most notably like Jordans, for the most part, but I love these cards. It's something cool to hold on to. And if you want to peep this right here, basketball remains to be the supporting roots of day-to-day culture, both on and off the court. That's a fact. That's a fact. So looks like there's an actual series with this and the embedded capsule. So I'm hoping we see some more things like this coming soon. If you're not familiar with these right here, some of the inspiration from the shoe. Back in the day, Kobe Bryant was at Rucker Park one summer, and he was wearing a pair of mid-top Air Force Ones, white and orange. Classic shoe that Kobe had on. And yeah, these draw a lot of inspiration from that. So before I get into the big details, just hit y'all with a 360 so y'all can see. It's a quick little 360, quick view, and then we're going to break down. We're going to get into all the details that we got. Beautiful shoe overall. Just going to take both of these out. All right, so just the first thing that always draws my eye when I look at the shoe is the tumble check. Like that right there is a thing of beauty, man. That tumble leather check, I'm a sucker for. It stands out just enough from the rest of the shoe to really, really break some necks, give you something nice to look at. I think both of them, yeah. So on the inside and the outside, both checks with that tumble grain leather. Love to see it. All of the stitching is orange, of course, the same orange as the sock lining, same orange as the outsole. And here's the other feature that draws my eye a lot right here. So if you check the tongue out, it reminds me of that basketball net right here, man. It's like a nice soft mesh. So yeah, man, full-blown basketball sneakers here. If you look at this little like lace lock, man, this little pendant right here. So orange Nike basketball. And you actually get that on both shoes too. Nice little like enamel pin right here. That's pretty dope, man. The other thing right here that's important. Check that out, man. And that's gonna be a zip code of what Rucker Park is, man. 10039. on West 155th Street right there. So you got your zip, the Nike check, that same orange, stitching all around, enamel pin, basketball net mesh for the tongue. Really just a gorgeous shoe, man. I love Air Force Ones in general. A lot of dope ones have come out in the last 6 months to a year, but when I saw these for the first time, they caught my eye like none other, and I'm glad that they're finally in their rightful place in my home. So as always, I gave y'all the detailed view. We got the quick 360 in. Let's throw them on the feet, man. Let's see how they look, see how they feel. I'm sure they're gonna feel just as good as any other Force, man, but to complete the mission, we gotta put them on the feet, man. We gotta give them a road test. Also, before I do that, I just noticed on the inside, you also have a court. You also have the basketball court on the, let's see if I can take this out. I just noticed that we can't skip any details, man. Damn, that thing is stuck in there. I can't really get it out. I don't want to rip it too hard, but if you can see, you have the little basketball court up in the insole. Yeah, that's pretty dope, man. All right, let's hit them with the road test. Let's throw them on the feet. Let's walk around a little bit. Let's see what they hitting on. All right, guys, we are outside. Gonna give these the quick little walk test, man. Can't front, yo. I feel really important with these on right now. I feel very important with these on right now, man. The colorway is nice. That white and orange hit perfectly. They look good. They feel good. The accents are hitting. Yeah, I'm a big fan of these, man. Huge fan. Shout out to Rucker Park one time. Yeah, man. Y'all gotta buy these. Go get yourself a pair, man. They restock randomly. They restock randomly on all the major sites. Like I said, I got mine from Champs. I seen them restock on Nike a couple times, even though they kept canceling my order. I know I've seen them on Finish Line, Foot Locker, all the big names, man. So if you need a new pair of Forces, something simple, Rucker Parks it is, man. Thank y'all so much for joining me for another video. Of course, I'm gonna keep pumping out this content, man. As long as y'all keep watching, I'm gonna keep pumping it out, man. We'll do some more sneaker unboxes, some more grooming, you know, product reviews, whatever. Like, share, subscribe, go tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.